Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey. So I'm feeling very bougie at the moment, you feel me, with my little fur on or whatever. So we just gonna hop straight into this. You've seen the title, we know why you're here, sis. Like, I know why you're here. Okay, we're gonna jump right into it, no time wasted today. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So materials needed to apply lashes. Obviously, I'm gonna say your favorite pair of lashes. I have a few different kind from my brand here. We're gonna be trying on a few different kind, you know, to the biggest blinks possible to some smaller pair, you feel me, because this is for a variety of my sisters out there. Next, you're going to need any type of mascara that you like. I honestly am one of those that don't care about mascara at all. This is like $1 at Marshall's or something like that. Look, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to get my lashes black enough to mix with the falsies. So if you do care about length and all that though, for your natural lashes, I would recommend the Fenty one is a good one. So yeah, get you a good mascara if you care about that type of thing. I do not. Okay, next of course is lash glue. Now everyone asks, what the heck, this is magic, what type of lash glue are you using? This is the type of lash glue that you're gonna need. At this point, sis, I feel like I should be getting sponsored right now for how many times I said buy you some clear dual lash glue. I cannot stress it enough. You can find it on Amazon as an add-on item. You can find it in stores at Ulta Beauty. I think it runs around $5 to $7. This is the clear one. It is in a white box with green writing. It has a wand on it, so when you go to apply it, not a squeeze tube or anything like that, it's a wand, which is really helpful and very necessary for the step I'm about to tell you. Also, this step is optional. This is eyeliner. It's up to you what you want to do with your lashes, but there's a step that this can really help for really beginners, you know, who just struggle with putting on your lashes. This is the one from Sephora. And there's like a few different type of Sephora eyeliners, but this is the best one. First thing I like to do, obviously I did my full face. I do my eyes before I do my foundation and stuff, but for the sake of the video, I'm like, let me do my full face, you feel me? I can't come on here barefaced, you feel me? So we're going to start with mascara. I'm gonna just apply this. And no, I don't do two coats, I don't do it thick. I just need all my lashes to be coated, because especially if you are, if you have product on your lashes, you don't want that to be shown through the lashes, if that makes sense. When you put on your fake ones, you don't want the glitter or the eyeshadow or whatever to be shown underneath the fake lashes. So you want to make sure your lashes are nice and coated in black so they mix well. I am going to apply my dual lash glue. Again, this is the clear one. I mean, you can use black or you know, the gray one or whatever, but I like this one because it really does dry clear. So when you draw it on, you can't see any mistakes. Like the black one, you'll see like, ooh, it looks a little off. So this just dries clear. They're not gonna know if you drew a straight line or not. So you can get as messy as you want, you feel me? It's not gonna matter, it's gonna dry clear, you know? Take my wand out, make sure there's not too much product on it, too much extra. I'm going to coat a very thin layer on the actual lash first. I do it first every time because while these are drying, you want them to get tacky, just like every other lash video has shown. You want the lash glue to be tacky. That's like a real step that needs to happen. But I like to do these first because while that's getting tacky and drying down a little bit, you can be drawing on the eyeliner on your eye. So, like by the time you're done drawing your eyeliner, By the time you're done drawing the eyelash glue on your eye, this will be tacky enough to use. You don't have to sit there and like put a timer on or count or something. It should be enough time for it to be tacky enough. This eyelash glue, let me tell you this now, it does go on bluish, and when it dries down, it dries clear, like it's just see-through, invisible looking. That's kind of an indicator too that it's done, it's tacky enough, now you can apply them. After doing that, I'm going to close one eye. You can, if you know how to look while you're doing it, you can keep your eye open. I can do both ways, but I'm gonna close my eye just so you guys can see better. I'm just gonna close my eye and start in the middle here and just start drawing this literally as close to the lash line as I can get, all the way across. Make sure you get the inner corner as well, because everyone's like, oh my god, that inner corner never sticks right. This is a good way to do it. Make sure that the wand, I'm literally just dragging it across, literally like eyeliner, but it doesn't have to be super neat because there's no color to it, you feel me? So we're just dragging this all the way across. Make sure you get the outer corner too. We're gonna do the other side. Ooh, now, as you can see, some eyelash glue is on my natural lashes now. So I'm gonna make sure I add my mascara one more time just to get them nice and coated in black. Yeah, they looking spidery, they looking thick, honey. It's okay, the fake one's gonna go right on top. Now, by the time that's all done, like I said, those 20 seconds or whatever you would have counted for this to be tacky, it's already up, okay? So we're gonna take our lash. It's nice and tacky, it looks clear, there's no blue left. We're gonna take it right in the middle, make sure you got firmly grasped. And you're gonna sit right onto your lash line. You can close your eye as you do it. And you're gonna pull off and set. It's like you wanna reposition it to where you want. And it's so tacky and sticky that it's like gonna just let you move it how you need to. So yep, I'm just pulling off and setting it where I want. You can pull it to one side if it's too long, you know, too in your inner corner, because I know like nobody wants that inner corner to be like jacked up all day feeling weird. Oh my god, that'd be the worst feeling when your lash is hitting this inner corner and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta take these off, you feel me? This will help. You literally can just drag them and it's stuck. I'm literally pulling it so hard, like you can drag it. It's stuck on there. Trust me, sis, okay? It's not gonna pop off. And boom, no inner corner. It feels comfortable, even though these are some pretty, for the most part, dramatic lashes. Now I'm just gently pressing these together with my real lashes. We want to merge them. Like I want these to be looking like they're growing out of my eye. I'm gonna take my second lash. My lord, you see how complete I look with these lashes on. As you can see, they are all on, they are all set. These are not uncomfortable at all. They're not hitting any inner part of my eye. The outer part feels good. So it's like a sitting on top of your lashes, then pressing onto where you want them to sit on your lash line, if that makes sense. We're gonna try with a few more pairs. We're just gonna practice a little bit. Ain't nothing like practicing, you feel me? So if you guys wanna sit here and do it with me, go pause the video, go get your products and see if this method helps. Okay y'all, so I'm coming back talking just because I'm gonna do a bigger, fluffier, really dramatic pair, just because I want to just show how easy it is to do this same method with lashes that aren't just like super light, you know, like actually have some weight to them. If you're like a dramatic guy and you really want to do the most, okay, I'm one of those. Okay, literally using the same amount of glue as I use for the smaller lashes. It don't matter, like this glue is just that good, you feel me? Like I said, not sponsored, but it should be. Set down and press in. Sit down and press in. Do it for this inner corner. Sit down and press in. And I feel like the bigger the lash, the more like uncomfortable it can get, especially in this inner corner. I'm gonna make sure everything's pressed in, everything's feeling nice and comfy. You don't want to be walking out here and you on a date or something and you literally gotta go to the bathroom and pop your lashes off and you ain't got no glue with you. You feel me? Because you're gonna come back looking like a whole different person. bam, boom, bow, pow. What? This is a whole mood right here. I feel like snatched, bougie. You feel me? Feeling this. These right here, honey. What these called? Mamas. This is such a mama's pair of lashes though. Like, hey mamas, hey mamas, hey mamacita. You feel me? And that's exactly the vibe I'm getting. Okay, for my last pair that I'll be testing out and putting on, I'm actually gonna do the thickest pair in my collection that I have. We have the style Thickems, okay? And Thickems does not play. She's thick, okay? She's thicker than a Snicker, actually. We're gonna see if this same method works for all lashes, okay? All lash kinds. No discrimination around here. Also, I'm gonna show a little trick that you can do with eyeliner. I told y'all earlier that this is optional. It's not necessary. If, you know, you just got this down pat, you can just put them on and they look perfect. But for anybody that's like, I do like the eyeliner method, or I do like a thicker lash line look, then this you can also try. So I'm actually, where I put that eyelash glue usually, I'm actually gonna add a really thin layer of eyeliner first. So after that's all drawn on and everything, I'm just gonna let it dry and set. Then I'm gonna add my glue, just like the same method we've been doing. Obviously, when the eyeliner dries down, it's not gonna be blue anymore. You're not even gonna be able to tell that there was glue on there. It's just gonna look like eyeliner. And how does she look? She's looking dramatic. She's looking fluffy. She's looking, oh, like, fly away. Take me away from here. Like, literally. This method for applying lashes has saved my life, saved me so much time in my makeup routine, and I really hope you all have learned something new, can try it yourself. Like, please let me know, tag me in some stuff. Let me know if, girl, my lashes apply in 2 seconds. You feel me? Like, if it really helped, let me know. If you have any type of questions or concerns, or like you can't find the glue or something like that, let me know. I'll send you the link. I'll also put it in the description below from Amazon. These lashes in my whole brand will be launching March 12th, my 21st birthday. That is the official launch date. If you don't follow me on there and you didn't get the update, that is the official launch date. What better way to spend my 21st birthday than packaging out these packages with just all happiness and love and appreciation for you all and everything you've done for me and changing my life and just encouraging me so much. I hope you all really enjoyed this video and it really helped. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty more videos to come, baby. I'm getting just as consistent on YouTube as I am on Instagram, you feel me? Make sure you follow me on all my social medias, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.